Good afternoon. If you're a Walsall tenant looking for a 3-bedroom detached property on a private estate in the south WS5 area of Walsall, have we got the ideal property for you? I got something really special about this property that I like. I'd like to show you around, do a walkthrough video tour today and show you what's on offer with this property on the Cambridge estate in South Walsall. So if you'd like to follow me. First of all, we've got a driveway, and actually you've got a couple of car parking spaces. You've got one over here that you can park up, and then you've got one over on that side as well. So there's 2 car parking spaces here. Potentially you could get another person in here for a visitor, just tagging along behind this car over here. Probably place another person over there as well. Your gardens at the front of the house is detached. Obviously nobody on either side. Rear access is through the back over there. That's to your rear garden. Okay, so if you'd like to follow me inside. So entrance hallway, nice open hallway, door off on one side. Over here we'll come to the kitchen first. I'll let the camera go in and have a look. Fitted kitchen with an integrated oven and hob, space on the left hand side there for a washing machine, and just behind that is the boiler, that cabinet over there. I'll just open that and quickly show you. That's your boiler inside here, a Bosch Worcester boiler. Okay, combination system, I believe. Space over here for fridge freezer in this corner over here. You'd probably put a small table if you wanted to around here, if you chose, or you could have what the previous tenants had was a little additional storage unit. Okay, so that's your kitchen. Right, so this is the bit that I like about this property. I'll just show you. They've converted the actual garage into an additional room. So the previous tenants used this as an office space and a kids' playroom. So it's quite a good space. Obviously it used to be the garage before, but nowadays garages are becoming stores. Most people wouldn't put any cars in them. You've got like a understairs cupboard area over here as well. So some more storage. We've had this property on our books for several years. The previous tenants to this tenant used it as a dining room. So, you know, you got choice and options as to what you want to use it as. Having the space is obviously a positive. So if you want to come through here, and we'll just go down the hallway. You've got the alarm control panel over here. I've opened it. And then over here, if you want to come over here, you've got the thermostat for the boiler on the wall there. Okay, and the stairs going up, and we'll just show you behind here is the there we go, is the downstairs toilet. I'll just get out of the way. So there's 3 toilets in this house, one with a family bathroom, one with the ensuite, and this one's the guest WC downstairs. Right, and then we have the main lounge, which is at the back of the house. Nice little space. So if you just close out this door, you see. Originally, these were designed with this being like the dining area, this being the lounge area. You can see the TV points kind of over here, the aerial points over here. There's satellite over here for Sky, radiators, plenty of radiators in this room. It's a lovely and warm house. I believe it's a C on the EPC, which we'll obviously put on the links in the description and on our website. You've got 2 kind of French doors opening out into the garden. Low maintenance garden. We'll just quickly have a look outside. And again, we've chosen the wettest of weather to come out and have a look. Nice low kind of maintenance gardens. There's only a little bit of lawn at the front to be done, and this area is a nice place to come out on a nice warm summer's day. You can see the house from the back. There's the alarm control box over there, alarm box. You've got the sensor light, sat dish. Okay, when you're ready, I'll take you upstairs. Careful you don't slip on there. So laminate flooring downstairs, and as we go upstairs, we'll now, this is all carpeted. Right, the landing. From the landing we'll do the small bedroom over here first. This is the smallest of the bedrooms. You can see nice, good space, good size, facing the front elevation. You've got electric points on 2 walls on either side. There's 1 or 2 items left by the previous tenant who's just vacated, so it's just become available. And then we're going to, this is the master bedroom. And the master bedroom comes with the ensuite. If you want to just turn the camera into the ensuite. Okay, so we've got 2 more rooms. The third bedroom, this one's a double. Okay. And then lastly, we've got, just before we go in there, so a couple of items still left by the previous tenants, but this could be a nice airing cupboard. Where these used to have system boilers here before, so there used to be a hot water tank here, which has been taken out and you've got a combination boiler now. And then you've got the family bathroom. This one's got the option to attach a shower. The fitment is a shower fitment. Some of these properties don't have that shower fitment facility, they just have hot water and cold water taps. So that's a bonus with this property. Okay, so I think we'll end our video tour over here. Thank you very much for watching. If this is something that you're interested in and seeking more that you'd like to learn from and how to go to an application, links will be in the description. If you are interested in properties around Walsall and this may not be the exact one for you, do subscribe to our channel. Before we actually publish anything on our website and the property portals, it will be published on our YouTube channel and on our personal website. So do subscribe to our channel, press that bell icon and you'll be notified as soon as something comes up. In the meantime, if you're interested, give us a call, send us an email, send us an inquiry of any sort, and the links will all be in the description. And we look forward to bringing you forward to a physical viewing if this is what you desire. Thanks for watching, and till the next time, take care. Bye.